Welcome to Fabby John's, the joy of decorating. Step-by-step guide to choosing flooring for your home. Step 1. Determine your needs. Identify where the flooring will be installed. Kitchen, bathroom, bedroom, basement, etc. Foot traffic. Consider how much wear and tear the space will get. Moisture levels. Bathrooms and basements may require waterproof or water-resistant options. Pets and kids. Durability and ease of cleaning are essential for high-activity homes. Step 2. Set a budget. Flooring prices vary widely, like laminate versus hardwood. Include costs for materials, installment, and extras like baseboards. Step 3. Choose flooring type. Common options include hardwood. Hardwoods are timeless, durable, and can be refinished. Engineered wood. More moisture resistant than hardwood. Laminate. Affordable, scratch resistant, and mimics wood. Stone. Vinyl. Waterproof, durable, budget friendly. Tile. Ceramic or porcelain, ideal for wet areas. Carpet. Soft, warm, best for bedrooms or low traffic areas. Bamboo or cork. Eco-friendly, unique aesthetics. Step 4. Select style and color. Choose a style that complements your decor, whether it's modern, rustic, or traditional. Light floors make spaces look bigger. Dark floors can add warmth. Consider texture: smooth, hand-scraped, matte, or glossy. 5. Evaluate installation options. DIY or professional. Some types are easier to install, like click-clock vinyl. Factor in subfloor condition. Some floors require leveling or special prep. 6. Request samples. Bring home samples to see how they look in different lighting and alongside your furniture. Step 7. Check warranties and durability. Review product warranties and look for wear ratings. Step 8. Order and schedule installation. Order 10% extra to account for waste and cuts. Schedule installation with a reputable installer or prepare for DIY. Assess each room's needs. High traffic areas like hallways, living rooms need durable flooring like hardwood, vinyl, or tile. Wet areas like kitchens and bathrooms and laundry require water-resistant or waterproof options like tile, vinyl. Bedrooms and low-traffic spaces. You can use carpet, engineered wood, or laminate can offer comfort and warmth. Consider your lifestyle. Pets and kids. Go for scratch-resistant, easy-to-clean floors like luxury vinyl, laminate, or tile. Allergies. Avoid carpet. Instead, choose hardwood, tile, or vinyl. Match your aesthetic. Modern. Use polished concrete, white plank wood, minimalist tiles. Rustic or farmhouse. Use distressed hardwood, wood like vinyl, or laminate. Traditional. Use classic oak floors, warm tone wood, or neutral carpets. Understand materials, pros and cons. Hardwood. It's beautiful, long-lasting, but expensive and can scratch. Laminate. Budget-friendly, scratch-resistant, but can't be refinished. Vinyl. Waterproof, durable, wide design options. Tile. Extremely durable and waterproof, but cold and hard underfoot. Carpet. soft and warm but stains easily and may trap allergens. Engineered wood, more stable than hardwood, often more affordable. Set a realistic budget. Include not just the material cost but also installation, underlayment, or subfloor prep. Maintenance over time. Think about maintenance. Some floors like tile or vinyl are easy to maintain. Others like hardwood needs more care. Test samples at home. Lighting and surrounding colors affect how flooring looks. Test samples in different lighting and times of day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We're almost at 3,000 subscribers. Thank you for subscribing. See you on the next one. Bye.